Which trade handles installations of dryer vents? Am adding a new laundry room in my home, and bathroom exhaust fans, also new, non-previously existing, in my home. About how much should I expect to pay for these installations? One bathroom exhaust fan is for a new bathroom addition, the other is for a remodel of an existing bath, did not have an exhaust fan in it previously, has a window in the bathroom. However, I am in South Florida and the AC runs 24/7 with all windows closed.
Hello there and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be assisting you today. I am an engineer with over 30 years of electrical training, repair and installation experience. I will try and answer your question accurately and precisely so that we can get you on your way. The dryer vent is normally installed by the contractor that does your HVAC work, ducts etc. The exhaust fan requires an electrical connection and ductwork. The electrician will run the wiring and provide the switch. You may want to pick out the fan itself. The HVAC contractor will install the exhaust duct. Without knowing much about your home, I would guesstimate the dryer vent install to be anywhere from $200 to $400 depending on access to walls and ceilings. Budget $100 for the fan, anywhere from $200 to $300 for the electrical and $200 to $400 for the duct install. I hope that helps. Please let me know if you need further help. Steve.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.